Hi guys, I'm so sorry that my voice was muted. I don't really remember exactly what I said, but I'll just try to go back in my memory and say what I said. Well, anyway, I'm about to show you why I'm recording this and how it is dinosaur related in this Offroad Outlaws game. I'm about to make the biggest purchase I've ever made in the game. I've never spent any real money. This is all hard-earned points and currencies that I have gained. I found this Jurassic Park Jeep Wrangler, and it was just a 100% need, and I knew you guys would have to be here with me. When I purchased it, right here is where I made the purchase, and I decided to take it to Woodlands because it reminds me the most of Isla Nublar. Right here I put it in four-wheel drive, detach the boat trailer, and we take it out for a spin. Right here I'm in shock because of just how fast it was going, but I had a slight distraction real quick. How fast this Jeep really goes. Quite amazing, honestly. It was really impressive. Definitely got what I paid for. I recommend it to any sort of interest released a few hours ago, so I'll try to get that on my channel ASAP. But here's where we decided to go mud bogging with it. I know this isn't really ideal, I'm sorry, but I guess I around with it, get the feel of it. Then we leave. I come to this custom map that I discovered. It's a really long drag strip, and I would really want to know what the full speed potential was. Right here, I guess 110. To my surprise, exactly straight, but that was enough to blow me away and more than impress me. I'm happy with it, and I'm going to spend a lot of time using this in future times I log into the game. Right here I'm showing you this build. This was my fastest vehicle. This goes a top of 158. We got the Wrangler Jurassic Park. Here I just